Hey guys, Ben Johnson here with World Anarchy, and today we're going to look at taking the bumper off of a 2021 Jeep Gladiator. You start off by pulling the panel clips out. You're going to need either a panel tool or a trim tool there. There's about 8 of the little clips, 2 on the top you can see I'm working on right here, and 6 more that actually run kind of behind the front bumper that attach this top piece to it. Pop all 8 of those out, and then the little plastic trim piece that goes between the bumper and the grill will actually pop right out as well. It just kind of lifts out of there. There we go, lift it right out. Next thing we're going to do is take apart the lighting harness here. Just a little screwdriver, panel tool, whatever, pop it right apart. That's your front fog lights. And then it's a 13mm bolt to take the plastic shield off, or the mud guard, whatever you want to call it. There's also some panel clips that have actually attached this little plastic piece to the front bumper. Loosen all those up and it just pops right out. Got a couple different panel clips than what we've seen before. You see a picture of it right there, but it pops out the same way. There I am taking the clips out that attach it to the front bumper. Those are more of a standard clip like what you had up on the top. There we go, we'll lift it right out of there. Behind there is a metal plate that you want to take off as well. A couple of 16mm bolts. That impact is probably a little bit of overkill. I could easily use the ratchet socket that I had a handy there. Got a couple of clips that kind of hold on the frame, so you pop the 2 bolts out, give a little pop, and it comes right out of there. And now we can actually get to the bolts to hold the bumper on. You got a total of 8 nuts, 4 on each side, 2 on the inside, 2 on the outside of the rail. Do the inside ones first. It's an 18mm socket. Use your impact, use a universal socket adapter. It's a tight fit in there, tight enough fit that I actually have to use a ratchet and socket on the side here because I just couldn't actually get the impact all the way in there. Take the inside ones out first. It's going to make it a lot easier for you to get the bumper off. If you wait to take the outside ones off until last, the outside ones are a lot easier to get to. That way you're not underneath the bumper while you're loosening it up. Get those 4 outside nuts off of there, and then the bumper just pulls straight off. It's probably a 2-person job to make it easy, but it just pulls right forward, comes right out. You've already got the wiring harness disconnected. There you go. And now you need to get the wiring harness out so you can reuse it for the fog lights on your new bumper. You got about 8 of these little plastic panel clips here. You pop those out. Same on both ends of the bumper. Just going to take the plastic cover off. And now you're going to be able to disconnect the wiring harness that goes to the fog light itself. And then I think it's a 5/16 that holds the fog light in there. So pop those 4 5/16 screws out. And you got a couple of nuts here as well. Those should be a 13mm. You're going to need a deep well to get to those. Pop those out, and that will let you take the steel trim piece out. The steel trim piece here just lifts straight out. Now if you've got a steel bumper, it's going to be a little bit different. I've got a Sport S, so I've got the plastic bumper. You lift that steel plate out, wiring harness is right behind there, everything you need is there, and you're good to go.